shadows dressed in flame, a quiet strength without a name. The world can't see the storms I hide, but every wound becomes my guide.